how to sell items on Roblox. So I'm going to explain how this works. So the first thing that we need to do is check if the item can be sold. So for example, here I've opened the marketplace and you will be able to see this. Now, if an item is limited, then in most cases it can be sold, but right here for this specific one, you will have a section resellable. No, this item cannot be resold to others. Now, how can we actually sell items here? So if we open up our profile, if we click on the navigation menu here, and if we go to inventory, and here you will find a list of your items. So for example, let's say I want to sell an item from my classic t-shirts. So if the item is limited, like I said, and we click on it here, right here, then it's going to look like this. Then what we have to do is we have to click on the three dots, and if you're able to sell it, then you will see an option here to sell item. Now this one is not limited and it cannot be resold, but here is where you get the option, and if you click on it, it will ask you for 30% of the cut. You have to set a Robux price for how much you want to sell it, and after it's been sold, you will find the Robux in your balance. So that's basically how it works. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.